Food autonomy introduces LEDFan Greenhouse Toplight and how it works. In standard greenhouses, grow lights are mounted on the trusses, heat pipes along the ground, whilst plants are growing vertically on gutters and wires in between. In this situation, the greenhouse is heated by heat pipes. Unfortunately, the warm air quickly rises to the top of the greenhouse. LEDFan directs otherwise lost heat generated by the LEDs downwards towards the crop. A warm air blanket forms around the top of the plants, creating an invisible energy screen and improving evaporation. The heat from the heat pipes is partly blocked by the warm air blanket, and the windows and screens can be kept further closed due to better evaporation. Both result in energy and cost savings on top of the efficiency of the LEDs. Food autonomy. Innovation by nature.